After death, the decomposition process begins within minutes. Known as autolysis, cells break down, releasing enzymes that cause the body to bloat and eventually liquefy. And for a brief period post-mortem, nails and hair appear to grow as the skin dries and recedes. The parasitic fungus Ophiocordyceps unilateralis infects ants, hijacking their brains and altering their behavior. The infected ant is compelled to climb to a high point and clamp down, where the fungus eventually sprouts from its head to release spores. In history, the Victorian era had a peculiar way of memorializing the dead. Post-mortem photography was a common practice, where deceased loved ones were photographed, often posed to appear alive. These haunting images served as keepsakes to remember the dead. The ocean depths hide bizarre creatures, like the anglerfish. The females have a luminescent piece of dorsal spine that lures prey in darkness. The males, much smaller, fuse themselves to the females for reproduction, eventually losing their eyes, internal organs, and identities, existing solely to fertilize eggs. Let's talk about plants. The corpse flower, known scientifically as Amorphophallus titanum, is one of the largest flowering structures. It emits a strong odor of decaying flesh during bloom, attracting carrion-eating beetles and flesh flies for pollination. In space, the concept of a black hole is unnerving. These massive objects have such strong gravitational pulls that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses the event horizon. Inside, the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. Creepy also comes in small packages. The human botfly lays eggs on mosquitoes. When a mosquito bites a human, the eggs hatch and larvae penetrate the skin, growing inside until they're ready to emerge as flies. In ancient Egypt, pharaohs were buried with mummified pets and servants, believed to accompany them in the afterlife. This practice reflects the dark side of their beliefs about death and the afterlife. Lastly, the phenomenon of shadow people. Reported in various cultures, these shadowy figures appear in peripheral vision and are often associated with a feeling of dread. While explanations range from optical illusions to paranormal, they remain a chilling mystery. From bizarre natural occurrences to unsettling historical practices, these creepy facts remind us that reality can be stranger and more unnerving than fiction.